Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PowerPet Electronic Dog Door. High-tech Pet's Wi-Fi-enabled pet door is motorized and activated via a waterproof ultrasonic collar. The door automatically raises when your pooch approaches the sensor and closes upon entry or exit. Great for extreme weather conditions or for dogs that are hesitant to push through a flap. The door is weatherproof and bulletproof, and includes a steel deadbolt lock for ultimate security. You can control this doggy door manually or via the smartphone app. High-Tech Pets app lets you open/close the door, create schedules, and view activity history. There are 4 access controls: full in/out, in only, out only, or closed and locked. Moving on. At number 4, we have the SureFlap-Sure Petcare Microchip Pet Door. The Petcare SureFlap Microchip Pet Door is a no-hassle approach to pet doors. This smart pet door uses your pet's implanted microchip to open the door and eliminates the need for collar keys. Thus, only your pets with microchips enter and exit the home while keeping out other pets, strays, and wild animals. The SureFlap is an excellent choice for households with multiple pets or owners who don't have time to monitor their pet's location. If your pet hasn't been microchipped yet, you can authorize the use of this pet door with one of these SureFlap microchip ID tags. At number 3, we have the PetSafe Never Rust Plastic Doggy Door. Are you looking for something a little more basic? This pet door from PetSafe is your best bet. It can be used for doors and walls and has a plastic flap tinted for privacy. The frame is durable and can be painted to match the door color. It also has a snap-on panel to close when not in use. This door comes in 4 sizes, and all are under $100. PetSafe's US-based customer care experts are available on the phone Monday through Saturday to help you through any installation issues. At number 2, we have the SureFlap Large Wall Mount. The SureFlap Wall Mount Pet Door is the best in-wall dog door and the sturdiest, most energy-efficient wall mount we found on the market. Unlike other flaps, SureFlaps are sealed with magnets, making them more rain and wind-resistant during extreme weather. Their flaps are made from environmentally friendly materials. The company sells various wall-mounted pet doors, including the SureFlap E2 for thick walls. You can also choose between single flap or double flap models. The only drawback to the SureFlap is that the installation is complicated. If you're considering this dog door, you may want to look into hiring a contractor to install it for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ideal Pet Products Screen Guard Pet Door. The Ideal Pet Door's Screen Guard Pet Door is ideal if you need something a bit less expensive and easy to install, and don't want to blemish your home's walls or permanent doors. It has a removable cover so you can slide it in place when you don't want your dog to use the door. Installation is a breeze. You can attach the Ideal Pet Screen Guard to a door grill, sold separately, to ensure that your screen door doesn't get damaged. An excellent choice for owners living in milder climates or a seasonal second dog door. However, if you are looking for a more energy-efficient, less drafty option, Ideal offers this replacement flap upgrade too. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.